We're back with another cool video in which I'm going to give you lots of educational tips about this strategy that you must follow to achieve good profits like me. So stay with me until the end of the video. As always, choose your symbol and select your time frame between 1 to 5 minutes. I choose 5 minutes because I got good results. Then go to the indicator tab and search for Intraday Momentum Index created by Everjet. Select it. As you can see, it appears at the bottom of the chart and needs some explanation. So we need to go to the indicator to give you more information. This indicator consists of 3 parts and you see some lines. The first area is the overbought area. In this area, the lines are green and give us buy signals for our trades. The second area is oversold, where we should look for sell signals. And the third area is the neutral or sideways area, where we shouldn't make any trades in this area. As you can see here, we are in the overbought area and can place our buy orders like this and get good profits. When the chart exits the overbought, we exit the trade. Or here that we are in the oversold area, we can place our sell trades to get good profits. But for more accuracy, we need to add another indicator. To do this, go to the indicator tab and search for Riva News Setup and click on it. As you can see, this indicator is very messy, so we need to go to its settings and apply some changes like me to make it ordered and usable. Now, we realize that using this indicator increases the accuracy of our trades and improves our win rate. As you can see, if the color of the indicator is green, we are in an uptrend. And if it's red, we are in a downtrend. Now, let me explain how to enter trades. As you can see here, the Riva News indicator is green, indicating an uptrend. Now, it's enough to wait for the IMI indicator to be in the overbought area, which has been done here. So we can place our buy order at this point. For this, we need to set our stop loss below the Riva News indicator line and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. And wait for our trades to close with profit. As you can see, the trade closed with profit. Again here, we are in an uptrend and all the conditions I mentioned before are met. So we set our stop loss and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. And wait for our trade to close with profit. We can even wait longer to earn more profit, but we should follow the rules of this strategy. Again here we see another example and we can open the trade and get profit. We also have this explanation for sell trades. First, wait for the REWA news indicator to turn red and be in a downtrend. Here we see that the REWA news indicator is red, indicating a downtrend, and the IMI indicator is in the oversold area. So we place our sell orders and set our stop loss above the REWA news indicator line, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. And wait for our trade to close with profit. I'm so glad you watched the video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you liked the video, leave a comment. See you in the next video.